Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 history chapter Devotional Paths to the Divine. Viewers, please comment in the comment section and tell me where from you are watching the video, and for watching more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in description box. Let's start. First question is, the emergence of dash movements can be seen from the 7th to 9th centuries. Answer is religious. Next question is, saints devoted to dash were called as alvars. Answer is Vishnu. Devotees of Vishnus were known as alvars. Next question is, saints devoted to dash were called as nayanars. Answer is Shiva. Devoted to Shiva were known as nayanars. Next question is, saint dash was born in Kerala in the 8th century. Answer is Shankaracharya. Next question is, dash was an advocate of Advaita, or the doctrine of the oneness of the individual soul. Answer is Shankaracharya. Next question is, dash was born in Tamil Nadu in the 11th century. Answer is Ramanuja. Next question is, dash propounded the doctrine of Vishishta Dvaita, or qualified oneness, in that the soul, even when united with the Supreme God, remained distinct. According to him, qualified oneness in that soul is remain distinct. Answer is Ramanuja. Next question is, Islam propagated strict monotheism or submission to dash God. Answer is 1. Submission to one God. Next question is, Sufi were dash mystics. Answer is Muslim. Sufis were Muslim mystics. Next question is, Kabir and Guru Nanak were the well-known dash saints of North India. Answer is Bhakti. They were well-known Bhakti saints. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Do press the bell icon so that you can get notification of new videos whenever new video is published.